Okay, I think I've had 10 adjustments so far, and my pain level last week was at 8, and today I'm a 2, happy to say. And just before I came in to see you, I had 10 visits of acupuncture and nothing was working. My pain in my neck and back was severe, and I didn't know what else to do. I've had many shots through Easy Pain Center, spent lots and lots of time and money, still no relief, and I thought this was the end. And then I met you, and I'm goosebumped just talking about it once again. Today's a great day. My pain level's at 2, and I feel great.